everybody, welcome to my channel Cooking with Alyssa. So today I'm on up next. Welcome to my barbecue. ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងស្ងោរតឡាចជាមួយមាន់ស្វិតហើយនឹងទាខ្វៃដែលសល់ពីសែនបន្ជុំនេះគឺជាមាន់ស្វិតហើយនឹងក្បាលទាខ្វៃបន្តិចឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំស្ងោរជាមួយឆ្នៃវាស្ងោរជាមួយនឹងផ្លែតឡាចនេះតឡាចយើងចិត្តជាដុំៗអញ្ចឹងអានេះផ្លែវាមកចឹងយើងចេះសម្បកវាហើយយើងពុះវាជា4ទៅហើយយើងកាន់វាកង់ប៉ុណ្ណេះ So I'm making some leftover chicken soup from the offering to our ancestors. So this is a little bit of chicken and this is a little bit of duck meat here, and then we're cooking it with fuzzy squash. This is called fuzzy squash. It has a little fuzzy thing outside, and this is the squash. Okay, lunch got a lot. Okay, and then also have a little dry shrimp. This from cream. Hai nang saktam. Alo nang neh tak yang puh na. So our water come to boil, and then I'm just gonna add in the chicken. You can use any kind of chicken or any kind of meat. Alo nang yang tak cream. I'm gonna add in my dry shrimp. Then I'm gonna put in a little bit of fish sauce. About 2 tablespoons. And then 1 tablespoon of salt on both. And then a little bit of sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Scald masala cafe. And masala soup. About a teaspoon of chicken soup mix. Masala soup. Masala cafe. And then a little shake of the black pepper, okay. And then we're gonna let this come to boil. And when that comes to boil, we're going to add in our meat. Lalu yang jam ini puh bentik, jam yang tak pelai yang. Okay. Puh sen, let it come. So while we're waiting our water to boil, we go on chop a green onion. Alo này dân không à chămទឹកយើងពុះហ្នឹងយើងហាន់ទឹកខ្ទឹមយើងឲ្យហើយណាហើយយើងនឹងដាំខ្ទឹមដែរភ្លេចទៅ Gonna also you need about 2 pieces of garlic. Okay, so I have 2 pieces of garlic here that we're gonna need and to give more flavor to the broth. យើងដាក់ខ្ទឹមសដែរឲ្យមានរសជាតិឆ្ងាញ់ Okay, and then this one you're just gonna pound it. Okay, that's it. You don't have to chop it up. You just collect that whole. Okay, so our pot come to boil. Gonna add in our squash. There we go. Okay, this is easy soup. When you have leftover chicken or leftover duck, you can cook like this. This champur sạch đầy salad, and then I'm gonna add in the garlic. Some salt chopped in there. Okay, and then it go with that. Yeah. Simple, delicious. And easy to make. So what first ngao tra lại nghe chang, you know, just more quiet. If you have more duck meat, extra duck meat, oh, that's the best. Ngao and the shrimp, the dry shrimp, give it extra flavor. Okay, kiếm thử oi mình được chích chang cho năng điện. Alo nó dương tục ở lại phơi sẵn 200 dương bong system dương. So let this come to a boil, and then you can add in your green onion. Okay. So it comes to a boil. But you also gotta make sure your vegetable is cooked though. Okay, then you just add in your green onion. And then bật lên tấu. Bây giờ cho nhắm, nước nhắm tấu. Nước mơ ấy mọc ở mơ. Sạch salad ha. This is leftover from the offering to our ancestor. So instead of getting rid of the chicken, you can make a soup out of this. It's delicious. The fuzzy squash is great with soup. This kind of soup. The large, the large kind, yeah. More small one each. And it throws near it. Okay, nè còn lại. Còn ôm mớ này. Thế đấy. Mình cứ chiên. There you go. Soup. Okay, lần đó nè, hai đây sẽ lo dần sao soup mon sweat cho môi nâng trở lại. So this is the chicken soup with fuzzy squash. So if you guys like this recipe or this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment if you have any question or you want to see another kind of dish, and don't forget to share. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button so you get more upcoming videos on my new video. So until then, thank you, take care, and see you guys next time. Okay, bye bye.